device during potentially dangerous weather situations. Special bid receivers are automatically activated to warn any passing hazards. The National Weather Service in Brownsville conducts tests of the receivers every Wednesday between the hours of 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather is in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of the broadcast and a warning variation normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter will occur even though your receiver is in good working order. This concludes this test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Device.
Marine forecast for the following coastal locations. Waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to Rio Grande extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. And waters from Baffin Bay to Port Mansfield extending from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Rest of today. East winds around 15 knots. Sea 3 to 5.